Hello guys, in this part we would like to explore further capabilities in MathLAB, and one of the most important ones that we're going to learn is the symbolic calculations. And I cannot emphasize it more that how important this feature in MathLAB is, and it is one of the reasons that MathLAB is so popular. And it is the ability to calculate symbolically. It's interesting to know that MathLAB inherently does not calculate symbolically because it is a data crunching software by nature. However, the patches and the toolboxes that I told you already, that I explained to you before, they're going to add extra ability to MathLAB. We will benefit that a lot. So let me show you what does symbolic calculation mean and what does it do for us. If I say 1 divided by 2, the result is 0.5. But how about if I need 1 over 2 as a symbolic? Or if I say 3 divided by 9, it gives me this. How about 1/3? Sometimes I need 1/3 as a fraction. And also, when it comes to integration or derivation or limit, most of the time we need the result symbolically as a fraction. For instance, 1 over x. I need it as a 1 over x for simplification purposes, and it's going to be very handy for me. If you remember previously, I told you that you can check the toolboxes installed in MathLAB by typing VER, which stands for version, and if you type that, all the toolboxes installed in your computer will appear here. I got the full version, but I didn't have to. It was because I had the ability to get these toolboxes, but we don't need them at all in this course. Some of them are very, very useful, like statistical toolbox and the symbolic toolbox. Here we go that we're gonna learn. So I know that the symbolic toolbox is already installed in my machine, and you can verify that too. And of course, if you're a student and you've installed the MathLAB or on your machine, either you purchased it or you download the trial version, this symbolic math toolbox is installed already in your machine. If you're a professional working in a company, depending on the version you purchase, it might or might not have that toolbox included.